Are you feeling overwhelmed and stressed in your daily life? Are you finding it difficult to stay focused and productive, despite having much to do? No worries, you aren't alone. The stress and distractions of modern life can make it hard for people to remain calm and focused. However, there is a solution: meditation. The practice of meditation has been around for centuries and for good reason. Meditation has been proven to reduce stress, increase focus, and cultivate mindfulness. You don't need any special equipment to get started, and you don't need any special skills. All you need is a quiet space and a few minutes to get started. Relax by sitting comfortably, closing your eyes, and taking deep breaths. Concentrate on the feeling of your breath entering and leaving your body. Whenever your mind wanders, acknowledge it and gently bring your awareness back to your breathing. As you practice regularly, you will notice a difference in your mood. You will begin to feel calm and relaxed even during the busiest of days. Additionally, you will be more productive and focused without getting distracted by outside distractions. Ultimately, meditation will improve your sense of mindfulness and thus enhance your quality of life. The practice of mindfulness increases your awareness of your thoughts, feelings, and bodily sensations. By increasing your awareness, you can make better decisions and better respond to the needs of your body and mind. If you're feeling stressed and overwhelmed, consider trying meditation. You can reduce stress, increase focus, and cultivate mindfulness with this simple exercise. When you practice regularly, you will be amazed at how much it transforms your life.